Hi, my name is John Waterhouse. I'm the minister of Center for Spiritual Living, Fort Lauderdale, and I want to talk to you about prayer. Prayer is a part of every spiritual movement. But the science of mind, and here at Center for Spiritual Living, we have a different way of doing our prayer work. We call it affirmative prayer or spiritual mind treatment. And what it is a way of not asking a deity to help fix something. It's knowing that it's already whole. An example of that was when someone came to me and told me they had found a car that they wanted me to treat for, but they didn't have the financing to get the car. And I told them there was a better way to do this, to simply know that they had the car and the financing. And they seemed disappointed, but they listened and let me treat for them. And we treated. And what happened the next day was that this person was driving down a major road in the town I lived in at the time, and he saw a car exactly like the one that he wanted to buy. He went in and found out that they had the financing that he needed, and he got the car that day. Now that's just a simple little one-time example, but there are thousands of ways that I could tell you that this form of prayer works, and it works perfectly. So be with me next Sunday. That's on April 14th. We're going to do this at 12 noon. And you can learn how to do this in your life and have whatever your heart desires. Come be here.